In the world of automotive legends, the Lamborghini Diablo reigns as a ferocious beast that commands attention and reverence. From its menacing design to its mind-bending performance, the Diablo epitomizes the raw power and sheer exhilaration associated with the Lamborghini brand. In this review, we delve into the heart-pounding world of the Lamborghini Diablo, exploring its design, performance, and the unparalleled driving experience it offers. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Design and styling. The Lamborghini Diablo's design is a striking testament to the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive aesthetics. Introduced in the early 1990s, it showcased a more aggressive and angular design language compared to its predecessor, the Countach. The Diablo's low, wide stance gives it a powerful and muscular presence on the road. Its wedge-shaped profile is accentuated by sharp lines and dramatic angles, exuding a sense of speed and dynamism even when the car is at rest. The combination of its elongated nose, sloping windshield, and a sleek roofline creates a visually captivating silhouette that has become synonymous with Lamborghini's design ethos. At the front, the Diablo features a distinctive face with pop-up headlights integrated into angular housing, giving it a menacing and predatory look. Large air intakes on the hood and front bumper not only enhance the car's aggressive aesthetic, but also optimize airflow for improved engine cooling and aerodynamics. Moving towards the sides, the Diablo showcases muscular wheel arches that house eye-catching alloy wheels. The sweeping lines and sharp edges that flow along the car's body contribute to its dynamic visual appeal. The iconic scissor doors, a Lamborghini signature, add a touch of drama and exclusivity to the Diablo's design, while also serving a functional purpose. At the rear, the Diablo features a wide stance and a prominent spoiler that provides downforce, enhancing stability at high speeds. Quad exhaust pipes, positioned in the center, emit a symphony of exhaust notes, emphasizing the car's raw power and performance. Performance and engineering. When it comes to performance and engineering, the Lamborghini Diablo sets the benchmark for what a true supercar should be. Beneath its aggressive exterior lies a meticulously engineered powerhouse that delivers jaw-dropping performance and exhilaration. At the heart of the Diablo is a mid-mounted V12 engine, available in various iterations throughout its production. This powerhouse of an engine unleashes a symphony of power, producing awe-inspiring acceleration and top speeds. The precise engineering and fine-tuning of the engine result in a harmonious blend of power and responsiveness, creating an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. The Diablo's performance figures are nothing short of astounding. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 km per hour, in just a matter of seconds, and its top speed reaches dizzying heights. The combination of a lightweight chassis and advanced suspension systems allows for exceptional handling, making the Diablo a true driver's car. It hugs corners with precision, instilling confidence and providing a thrilling connection to the road. The engineering prowess of the Diablo extends beyond its engine and handling. Advanced technologies such as traction control, electronic stability systems, and sophisticated aerodynamics work in harmony to optimize performance and ensure stability at high speeds. These technologies, coupled with meticulous attention to detail in weight distribution and airflow management, contribute to the Diablo's exceptional performance on both the road and the track. Furthermore, the Diablo's braking system is designed to match its immense power. Equipped with high-performance brakes, it provides precise stopping power and confidence-inspiring deceleration, enhancing both safety and performance. Driving experience. The driving experience of the Lamborghini Diablo is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you slip behind the wheel, you're greeted by an ambience of power, luxury, and pure excitement. Every aspect of the Diablo is designed to deliver an unforgettable journey that stimulates the senses and ignites the passion of driving. As you settle into the driver's seat, you're embraced by a cockpit that exudes a blend of opulence and sportiness. The driver-centric layout places all controls within easy reach, ensuring a seamless and intuitive driving experience. The high-quality materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and attention to detail create an environment that envelops you in a world of automotive luxury. When you fire up the engine, the symphony of the V12 power plant resonates through the cabin, filling your ears with a sonorous soundtrack. The Diablo responds eagerly to the slightest touch of the throttle, propelling you forward with blistering acceleration. The surge of power is palpable, pushing you back into the seat and unleashing a surge of adrenaline. Navigating winding roads and tackling corners in the Diablo is a revelation. The precise steering, combined with the car's low center of gravity and advanced suspension system, allows for razor-sharp handling and exceptional agility. The Diablo feels planted to the road, instilling confidence as you carve through bends with surgical precision. Its superb balance and stability inspire the driver to push the limits and explore the boundaries of performance. Timeless appeal. The Lamborghini Diablo possesses a timeless appeal that has solidified its status as an automotive icon. Its striking design, exhilarating performance, and captivating presence continue to resonate with enthusiasts and car aficionados across generations. One of the key factors contributing to the Diablo's timeless appeal is its bold and aggressive design. The angular and wedge-shaped silhouette, coupled with sharp lines and dramatic angles, has an enduring quality that transcends trends and remains visually captivating. Even today, the Diablo's design turns heads and commands attention wherever it goes. Its iconic scissor doors, which have become synonymous with Lamborghini, further enhance its allure and exclusivity. Beyond its design, the Diablo's performance capabilities play a significant role in its timeless appeal. The thunderous roar of the V12 engine, the lightning-fast acceleration, and the mind-bending top speed create an experience that leaves an indelible mark on those fortunate enough to experience it. The Diablo represents the pinnacle of automotive performance and embodies the essence of Lamborghini's uncompromising pursuit of power, speed, and driving excitement. Furthermore, the limited production numbers and exclusivity of the Diablo contribute to its timeless appeal. Owning a Diablo is not merely about possessing a car. It's about becoming part of an elite group of enthusiasts who appreciate and understand the significance of this iconic machine. Its rarity and exclusivity only serve to heighten its desirability and elevate its status as a collector's item. The Diablo's timeless appeal extends beyond its individual attributes. Lamborghini Diablo sounds. The Lamborghini Diablo is known for its exhilarating and awe-inspiring sound, which perfectly complements its aggressive design and performance capabilities. The symphony created by the Diablo's engine is a symphony that ignites the senses and captures the essence of automotive passion. Equipped with a mid-mounted V12 engine, the Diablo produces a captivating exhaust note that resonates with power and intensity. At idle, the engine emits a deep rumble, hinting at the untamed energy waiting to be unleashed. As the RPMs climb, the sound transforms into a roaring crescendo, punctuated by sharp and explosive cracks on each upshift. The Diablo's exhaust system plays a crucial role in shaping its sound. The free-flowing design and carefully engineered tuning maximize the engine's acoustic potential, resulting in a sonorous and thrilling experience. The quad exhaust pipes, positioned at the rear of the car, amplify the V12 symphony, creating a captivating and distinctive sound signature. Price. The Lamborghini Diablo was produced between 1990 and 2001, and its price varied depending on model year, specifications, and optional features. It is important to note that the prices mentioned here are approximate and can vary based on factors such as the vehicle's condition, mileage, and rarity. Additionally, prices may differ in different regions and markets. When it was first introduced, the Lamborghini Diablo had a starting price of around $240,000 USD for the base model. As the years went by and new variants were introduced, the prices increased accordingly. The later Diablo models, such as the Diablo SV and Diablo VT 6.0, had higher price tags due to their enhanced performance and features. Today, as a classic and collectible car, the Lamborghini Diablo's prices have appreciated significantly. Well-maintained and low-mileage examples can command prices ranging from $300,000 to over $500,000 USD, depending on the model and specific configuration. Rare limited edition variants such as the Diablo SE30 and Diablo GT can reach even higher prices in the collector car market. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video.